Hi, this is Sandra Henry Stocker, author of the Unix as a Second Language blog on Network World. In this Linux tip, we're going to look at the shuff command, short for shuffle. It randomly rearranges lines from a file or output that is redirected to it from some other command. For example, if you wanted to rearrange the contents of a file every time you looked at it, you could do something like this. And I'm just going to show the first top lines so that you can see how the output changes each time we run the same command. And there we can see every time we get a different ordering of the colors. To sort the output from a command, you just run the command. So I'm going to list my Penguin files and pipe that to shuff like this. And there's my list of files. And there's the list in a different order and an even different order. Now the output should be fairly random, especially if you're looking at a file that has a lot of contents, so that the randomness will be even more obvious. Now that's your Linux tip for the shuff command. If you have questions or would like to suggest a topic, please add a comment below. And don't forget to subscribe to the IDG Tech Talk channel on YouTube. If you like this video, please hit the like and share buttons. For more Linux tips, be sure to follow us on Facebook, YouTube, and networkworld.com.